Welcome to your German school. In this short video, you will learn about the pronunciation of EI and IE in German. So let's start the short lesson. EI is pronounced as I of English in German. So the pronunciation of AE, that means I, is as like as I in English. I. I. So now we will apply this pronunciation to the following words. So the first one is I. I. That means egg. Leicht. Leicht. That means light, easy. Reise. Reise. That means journey or a trip. Zeit. Zeit. That means time. Mein. Mein. That means my. Bleiben. Bleiben. To stay. Beispiel. Beispiel. Example. Nein. Nein. No. So, viewers, you have noticed the pronunciation of EI in German is the same as I in English. So now we proceed towards the pronunciation of IE. IE is pronounced as double E of English. The sound will be like E, E. So whenever you see the letters I and E together in German, you pronounce the sound of double E of English. That is E. So now we go through some examples. The first one is Sie. Sie. That means you. Kiefer. Kiefer. That means jaw. Bieten. Bieten. To offer something. Liebe. Liebe. Love. Brief. Brief. That means letter. Tiere. Tiere. Animals. Wieder. Wieder. Again. Mieten. Mieten. To rent. Wie. Wie. That means how or like. So, viewers, you noticed the sound of IE is as double E of English. So in this short lesson, you have learned about the sound of EI, that is I in German, and the sound of IE, that is E. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye.